You say it again?
We're going to catch musky.
She's right. I'm here with my grandma, 13 Love. We're at the Spillway. Gonna try to catch us some musky. It's a well-known area for people to catch them. A couple have been caught today. They've been caught through the week. We'll see what happens. We're gonna be here for a little bit and got about everything we need. By everything, I mean hopefully everything. All right, let's get fishing. Catching some musky, Grandma. We're here. This is musky angling.
Well, we haven't caught one yet.
Yeah, well, from what I'm seeing, nobody else is catching them, so it's not like we're doing something wrong. Ooh, is the wind changing direction a little bit? Feels like the wind just changed. It's coming this way. It's coming this way now.
Yeah, the direction changed.
That's a good thing. Because nothing was happening when it was blowing at us the other way. There's fish. Oh. Hey. That's a start. You saw it, right? That was a muskie. Not sure how I didn't hook it, but he pulled on me. He looked like he was about a 33-inch fish. He wasn't too big, but hey, that's a muskie. Third camera battery. That means it's round 3. I missed a muskie about 15 minutes ago on a swim bait, pretty much right at the bank. I got a snag and then, I don't know, I guess I just didn't set the hook like a noob. I just started pulling because I had a lot of weight on the end of the thing, so next time I'm gonna actually yank. Oh, that's a target fish. Sweet. That's a good one. Yep. Big old muskie.
Woo! That was nice. What it came off.
They do exist.
Wow.
What do you got on there? Spoon?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Hey, let's get him up here so I can flip. I can get him out. I just
all right.
I bet it's still not even legal. This is a 25 fish. 25. That's probably 25. Holy shit.
All right. Time for me to get back casting.
Huh?
It's that time for me to get back casting. There's fish.
That one?
Yep. All right, he's not big, but sweet. Got a muskie. Awesome. Came unhooked. Yep.
Little guy.
All right, he's flopping. All right, stop. I'm trying to not have you hit the concrete. Oh. I'll get the hook out of the net. No, I'm gonna get. All right, well, it seems guy next to me might have a muskie. There you go. No, he's
No.
handing it to you.
Hold that thing. Just crank it.
I'm gonna go on this side of you. No, that's sweet.
Don't
That's
get in a hurry with him.
just keep tension. Don't let any slack go in. Yep, just keep reeling nice and slow. Like I said, this one will be twice the size of the one that I got. You're not even shooting for him.
Oh, he's running. He's a runner.
It's a big fish, isn't it?
I roll in, he rolls out.
Yep. So how's it feel not knowing that you just gave up the state record muskie?
No, it's not that. I got me 48 inches. Big.
So up there at the
It's like 50
the dam, it was 50 incher. It didn't hit 51. It was 38 pounds.
Hey, you got my camera? My phone?
We can handle that when we get it out of the net. I got the camera rolling right now. When we get it in the net, we'll figure that out. You even getting anywhere with that fish? That's a big fish.
Well, I roll in and he rolls out. I roll in and he rolls out.
Oh, he's all the way out there. It's top water. Way it came up looked like you might have got the tail.
Yeah, he's probably. He just come up like that with a thing.
I don't know how much more I can do this.
Hey, you got to keep going. You started.
Oh, my arm. I'm an old lady.
Reel up faster. We'll start walking down a little bit. Yep, just every bit you can. Just start creeping towards shore and that fish and them. You're all good. Oh, keep going.
My
It's
arm,
getting
see?
close. Go fast.
Just hang on and help me out. Just grab the pole a little bit to get. I can reel, but my arm.
He's tiring you out. All right, reel faster. We'll start walking towards them. Just about like this. Yeah, it's coming in. Another one right there. That one was interested what this one was doing. All right. Just keep bringing her in.
He is cutting tail.
Yep, he is.
My fucking arm.
You got the hardest fight you possibly could have gotten.
It'd be hard getting him in, get his head in that now.
Yep. Oh, there you go, brother.
Hang on the pole.
I got the pole for you.
That's my bad arm.
Yeah, that was about as far out as I could get her.
I can't do no more.
You can't give up now. You want me to get it? Hey, he's got it.
Oh my gosh.
Good stuff, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You had fun.
All right. Yep. Let's get it out of the tail there.
There, I gotta get it. Holy shit.
So you think you can hold it now?
My arm's like rubber, man.
Might as well take a video. Yeah, I'm trying not to let it bounce on the concrete. Talk about giving her a fight, though.
Oh my god.
In the tail.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Oh.
It doesn't get any better either.
Yeah, that one-handed arm is just.
Gosh, I can't hold the hook.
That's what the other one kept doing. It kept flopping on me.
It's easier to put it down.
Yeah, he's gonna flop on the concrete then. He's so strong. Sweet. All right, let's give it some water. Do you want to hold it? Are you good?
Let me hold it.
All right.
I got it. All right.
You satisfied?
Yeah.
All right. You got her hooked in the tail. It's tired fish.
Well, that was nice of him.
Yep. All right. All right, you gonna right yourself? You good? There it goes. Did you see that other one that came up when yours was coming in? Oh, that's... You got another? Let's hope this one's hooked right this time. You got him right in. Yup. Oh, you caught that one.
Yeah, he did.
Cool.
Yeah, that's her for her own. Ready for another one.
Yeah. That water was way colder earlier. It feels good now. Sweet. Another muskie. Hand me them pliers. Let's see if I can get this out. Yeah, if you just want to hold it in the air for me, I'll get it out. Oh, it's a little wrapped up. You want to hold her, or you just want her released?
I want no part of it.
So I can just flip her in the net, really. Put her back in the water as long as we don't tangle up that line.
Yeah, I think my other hook maybe. Yeah.
Let's see. We're good to go. Sweet.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll net everybody's muskie. I don't care. That's just a treat to see them. All right, back here in the morning. It's about 7:30. What time is it exactly? 7:32. A few more people down here. That's okay. We'll see if we can pick up a muskie. They got that whole bank lined up over there. They're all lined up over there. Oh. And I'm tangled up with Grandma and I got a baby muskie. Let me grab the net. He's off. That's okay. I caught a grandma and a muskie at the same time. I would have landed it if we didn't tangle. You hit that right at the bank.
Oh, we're a mess here.
Yep. Well, looks like me and Grandma are leaving. We caught one muskie this morning and her line tangled with mine and we didn't get to technically land it, but we caught it. It was a little guy right there. Probably, I think counted 60 people here or something. Nobody's really catching anything but over in the corner. It's been a good time here, but it's time to go. 13 Love. We'll see you next time.